Hi, in this video, we are going to learn the important tool to create a proper board outline. So if you go to edit option, you will see here Z copy option is there. This option is very important to create a proper board outline. How? Let's see in this video. So if you go to add and create a odd shape board outline, just like this. If you want to change the angle, you can change. If you want to change the line arc, you can change. So if you want to edit this, you want to make it straight 90 degree, just go to edit, and here vertex option is there. Just select and move as per as you want. If you want to keep little bit arc angle here, so just go to manufacturer, drafting, fillet, just double click. So this is how you can draw an outside board. After draw it, you need to create another line like package keep out or package keep in or route keep out or route keep in. So for that, Z copy is very important. Go to edit, Z copy. Here you have to select route keep in, and if you're selecting contract, so the outline will be less than whatever amount you are giving. So currently it is, I'm selecting millimeter, and I'm selecting edit Z copy 0.5 less than this board outline. Okay, just select it, and after that, so you can see that this is root keep on, root keep in, done. And same thing you can do with edit Z command, Z copy, and your package keep in, and so you can see that it is here, package keep in. So this is how you can utilize this Z copy command in any odd shape board outline.